Okay.
Boom! Let's open it.
It shouldn't take long.
Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. We are at Walmart looking at all the new Super Mario movie. Sorry, the Super Mario Galaxy movie merch. Oh, look at this Fisher Price set. Look how cute. Do what?
Push this button.
Oh my goodness.
I want that. That's so cool.
Oh, look at this Lego. Oh.
Yeah, it even comes with a turtle shell and a
Banana peel.
banana peel. Yeah,
Cute.
has both sides.
What you got here? Let's see.
There's both sides.
What's on the back? Here we go. This is a pullback racer. That's kind of fun.
Yeah.
He's cute. Mario's so cute.
What are you doing?
He's so cute.
Come on.
What is that though?
It's a racing car.
Jason, when she gets home, can help her unload it.
Does it come with a camera?
It has a controller.
Like
Remote control.
Some come. Oh, it can hold your car too, so it won't get lost.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's fun.
Oh.
There is more. Oh, look, it's Toad. I think Toad is my favorite. I love him. Oh, look at all these. Look.
Oh.
Who's the guy in the purple car?
Oh, that's so. These guys are walking around like they're like the turtle shell. So if you jump on them, then they turn into like.
Oh, look at this. It's just a little figurine. That's fun. The glare is so bad.
Can't win.
Gateway
So
Galaxy.
cool.
Let's turn it. Oh, let's look at the back.
Okay.
Oh, and look at the Lego. We're on our Lego.
Go elevator. Maybe.
Oh, so we can go like up and down. Wow, that's really cool. Huh. Okay, here's Mario. See, just like a realistic. Okay, so just a little figurine with the little star.
Yoshi.
And then here's Yoshi. It's a toss-up. Yoshi or Toad is my favorite. What's her name? Rosalina. Yes, she's like one of the newer ones. That's fun. All right, and here's some big remote control cars. You got Mario, Princess Peach. That's not the same thing. This is not the same thing as this one. This one's different. This one you have to like charging time. I don't know. It can run a lot longer, I think. Oh, here's a Mario one. Oh, hold on. I don't know how to do it. Mario, how do I turn you on? Mario. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Maybe his battery's dead. Oh, there he goes. What?
I found something. I found a game to play on your Switch.
Oh, there's already a Monopoly for it. That's fun. It's $24.97. There's also a Barbie Monopoly. Ooh. I have found the biggest sticky note for your big ideas. Wow.
That says
It weighs 1.125 pounds.
it's creepy.
Hollow milk is kind of creepy looking, and it's almost $14. Yeah. Okay, so Walmart has this whole line of Hello Kitty and Peeps
I'm gonna get this
stuff.
with my own money.
Oh my goodness, they have everything Cinnamoroll.
So I've wanted this kind of stuffy, but it's even better now that it's cinnamon. And look at his tail.
It's like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
So we got Easter baskets. We've got plushes, squeeze ball plushes. We've got mystery eggs, which we're gonna get one of those. We got more plushes down here. These have feet. And these are marshmallow scented. Did you know that?
Oh, that's what I was smelling. Oh, yeah, that's definitely what.
It is.
Yep.
Headbands.
Oh.
A bubble blaster. These are like bubble sets,
These
like
are
with the bubble
decoration.
wand. And then these are chalk. This is bubbles. Face mask. Nails. Chapstick. Oh, they have chapstick, bruh. What are these?
What are they scented with?
Lip glosses. Probably all like marshmallow or chocolate or something. What is this? Scented cloud slime.
marshmallow.
Bracelet
marshmallow,
case.
Chocolate marshmallow.
Pouches, memo pad,
Strawberry marshmallow. Vanilla
stickers.
marshmallow, cotton candy marshmallow.
Oh,
So cinnamon roll is marshmallow. Grape marshmallow. Kuromi is chocolate marshmallow. Hello Kitty is strawberry marshmallow. Pom Pom is vanilla marshmallow. And my melody is cotton candy.
wow.
Yep.
Is that where that goes? Is that where that goes?
Yeah. Oh, no. Nope.
We have walked way far. Nope, nope. Try again. Right there. Look at all the toads on this men's shirt. It's like a collared shirt. It's like a
Look at
kind of like a
SpongeBob.
Hawaiian shirt. But like, look at all the toads on it.
Look at SpongeBob.
That is so funny. Oh yeah, SpongeBob.
SpongeBob is really cute.
So
Look.
cute. That'd be cool. What's this one? Oh, Mickey. There's a Mickey one.
Oh, there's this back there too.
Of course, there's a Stitch one. Why wouldn't there be?
Yeah. I'm kind of thirsty now. Put the bag over here.
All right. We just got home from Walmart. We had to run some errands, and we found.
I get some birthday gifts and stuff.
Yeah, we found some birthday. We needed to get some Mario themed birthday gifts, and so we found some Mario themed birthday gifts for the new movie that are coming out, and then we also found some fun Easter
Easter
things
stuff.
because Easter is in 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks from
2 weeks.
Yeah, today's
Yay!
Friday, and it's like 2 weeks from Sunday, I think. So we got some fun things to do for Easter. We got some fun things that we can open, like little blind
Like
box
these
things. Yeah, I found another one. She had money. She had Tooth Fairy money because she lost another tooth.
And I'm gonna lose another one.
Another one is very loose. So we've got some things to show you. So you want to open that first?
Yeah.
All right.
This first.
Mr.
Best for
Axolotl. All right.
Now this one is this one.
She thinks.
I guess it is because look at the antennas. Well, so they're called the gills on the side of the axolotl's head
Those are called gills. They're
Yeah.
not ears. They're gills.
because they do swim in water. They can walk on land too.
Yes, I was wrong about that in the last video. I think I said something. I might have edited it out. I don't know, but they can walk on land. But they like to be in
They're like
water.
turtles, but smaller, way
Yeah.
smaller, and cuter.
We'll probably time lapse through this. Ready?
Go. We're gonna open this now. I don't know their names. I mean, I know
look.
some of their names, but not all.
Sticker.
I haven't seen him yet, so it's very.
I still have the slime from the other one you opened. You can mix the slimes together.
I don't know how that would look. I don't know why I went with that. He is adorable. Wait, he looks mad. Hang on.
Take the sticker off. Which one is he?
He's
Lulu?
that one.
I guess Lulu's a girl.
Yeah. I guess it's a girl.
I guess it's a girl, not a he. It's a she.
She is so cute.
So cute.
She looks mad for some reason.
It's just the way her hair is flipped. Did you open this?
Fur, not hair. Oh. Oh, she found it yet. Let's see what this is.
Ooh. Isn't that cute?
He's like on his belly. Here, we'll show it this way. We're going to trash. You can like move him around, make him like swim. So you know I love my axolotls, like with this plushie. He's an axolotl. And I also got a axolotl coloring book. Yeah, look
Does
at
it
all
have-
those pages.
Let's see.
You know, all those pages.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much all axolotls.
And it has
Stickers too.
holographic stickers. Is it in the front? Oh yeah, here you go.
Pretty
Whoa,
nice.
wow.
Pretty neat.
And then she also got this coloring book
Food. Yummy food.
with stickers too, right? Are they scented? Is that what I remember? Yeah,
Scented
50
stickers.
scented stickers.
Next thing we got is something Hello Kitty. No,
Well-
my Hello Kitty.
Easter.
Easter themed. It's a little like garden stone.
She loves making gardens on our porch.
especially fairy gardens.
Fairy
too.
gardens, and I thought this would be a cute little activity we could do together outside.
Yeah. We have to paint it too.
And then you got this.
There this. It's like a little duck collectible thing.
And then this wasn't in the. This wasn't it. Was that an Easter?
I don't know.
No, it wasn't. It was back by the.
Let's open it. It smells like cotton candy, but it's like another. It's a squishmallow, but it's axolotl. I think his name's Alfie.
But isn't it slime?
Yeah, it's like pretty.
Premium cloud slime.
It smells like cotton candy. I love my cotton candy.
Ooh, it's got little mix
Oh,
ins.
it's got glitter too.
Oh, we'll have to show that. In
No, I
another
want to
video.
smell it.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'll have to show that in another video.
Oh my word, that
So good.
smells so good.
They had this back in the toys, kind of back by where the Nido stuff is, which those were like, we got two of the little ones each, like just for us to have, but those were like, you could tell they had been picked over for sure. They're so popular right now, and there were teenagers all over that Walmart, like arms full of Nidos, just like walking around trying to find every single one they could. It was hilarious, but that's fun. That's really cool that kids these days are doing that.
That's cinnamon roll.
They had a whole section in the dollar spot section at Walmart that is all of it right now is pretty much like Easter or spring.
And Hello Kitty.
But there was a whole wall full of Peep and Hello Kitty
Oh, that's
collection
cute. It has
of
like a little thing on the back.
Easter stuff. It was crazy. So much stuff. So she's wanted one of those for a while. They've had them for a few years, but they've kind of changed over the years. So we got that, and then we got this bubble Easter set. So it has like a bubble one thing. We'll open it right now. You wanna
Let's open it.
Okay. Time lapse in 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Time lapse. Whoa! This is amazing.
This is your little plate that you pour your bubbles into, and then you take this, and then the bubbles go everywhere.
And it will look like a peep. I'm kidding.
Probably not. So this is your bubble solution. Cute little Hello Kitty and Peeps on it. And then these are just two little separate bubble ones you can use. Isn't that cute? And then
I'm really tired.
we're almost done. And then we got this, which is a Hello
I
Kitty
didn't know
and
you got
Friends.
that.
I got it for you. It's a mystery egg.
Let's open it.
Let's open it and see.
We're gonna time lapse this.
Time lapse. 3, 2, 1.
Time
go!
lapse. Look at it. Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Oh, we got no. We got Kuromi.
Oh, cute. She has her own little Peep.
That's adorable.
Adorable. All right.
Here's all of the ones you can get.
Oh, yeah. What are all your different options?
You can get Hello Kitty, Karapi, that's Maru, My Melody, Pom
Pom.
Pom, Cinnamoroll, and Kurumi. But
Alright.
but I don't think they even had to add the Peep to My Melody's ears because they're already like,
Her ears are already like a Peep's ears.
yeah, already like that.
Okay, now we're gonna show you one more thing that she got from the Mario collection.
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't really know if this is for the movie. It was with the movie stuff, but it's a cute little Hot Wheel, and Toad is like one of her favorites. So, isn't that cute? They have a whole line of them, but I thought that was cute.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it.
It shouldn't take long.
Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Come on, let's go. I'm making a mess.
We sure are. Show them how much of a mess we're making.
Well, look at all this trash everywhere.
We're probably making them dizzy.
Yep, sorry. Sorry
All right.
about that.
Got it open.
Cute little Hot Wheel. Show them like close.
Oh,
Here,
Zoe?
Here. Let me see.
Zoe's like right at my foot. Hey, Zoe.
How cute is he? Look how cute. All right, well, that's our haul. We had fun just kind of getting out of the house, and it's been a long week of work and school.
And we haven't been to Walmart in a while.
No, we haven't. And I got my Easter dress. And she got like a cute little yellow sweater to wear for Easter. So yeah, I think it was a good, successful trip. Yeah. So I don't know when exactly this is going to be posted, but yeah, I'll try to get it up so you can go shopping for your own Easter goodies. They had so much Easter stuff there. So and it was all pretty reasonable price. So candy and everything, filler for baskets, and they had Bluey, they had Hello Kitty. They had more Hello Kitty than this. That was just Hello Kitty and not the Peep stuff. So, well, we hope everyone enjoyed the video and that you had a great, today is Friday. Have a great weekend, and we will see you soon with another video. Have a magical day.
Have a pixie dust today.
Bye.
Bye.